So the first step is to use a plastic scraper to scrape off any dirt or moss that has grown up. Just kind of make it easy for D2 to get into the stone. And then what you want to do is just take D2 and make sure it's turned on. And then you just want to spray the stone liberally. So at this point, what may happen is the stone will turn either like orange, red, or yellow. That will just show you that the material is working, and you can stop doing what you're doing right now, because what we need to do is let this set for about 10 minutes. Then we'll come back, we'll do another light misting, and we'll take a medium to soft bristle brush and start scrubbing the stone. After that, we'll rinse it, and then we'll apply one final coat of D2 to the stone, and then you're done. Okay, so now we've let D2 set for about 10 minutes, and what I'm going to do is another light misting on the stone, and then I'm going to use the brush to scrub with. You don't want to use a lot of pressure, and if there's letters and things, you want to just kind of take the tip of the brush and get inside the letters. You can already see the letters are really starting to stand out. Okay, so now we're at the point where we just want to rinse it off. There's a couple ways you can do it. If you have a bucket of water, you can just splash the stone and rinse it off, or you can use a sprayer to spray it. And basically, you just want to try to rinse it off and follow the contour of the ground. Now this stone's been here for a while. It wouldn't hurt to do another application. Or you can simply just, once we're done rinsing it, you can simply spray D2 on and let nature take its course. It really depends on how much time you have and how quickly you want it to be nice and clean. I also kind of like to spray around the grassy area, so protects the grass. If D2 gets on the grass, it'll slightly burn the tips a little bit, but other than that, it's not going to hurt the grass